This video was made using only free AI tools, no face, no voice. And skeleton videos like this are going viral right now. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create viral skeleton educational videos using only free AI tools. Let's go. Let's first of all look at this channel, Dr. Data. You can see it has 476k subscribers, 73 views, and you can see it has a join button. That means this channel is monetized, and the most popular video has 21 million views, and more of them has a lot of million views. So let's continue. The first thing is to come up with the video idea, and to do that you can visit the channel of your choice. I would visit Dr. Data, and I'm going to take a screenshot, but you can see on the mobile app you cannot do that. So I'm going to visit the browser YouTube version of it, and I will just go there and paste youtube.com. After that, I need to turn on the top side. You can just click on these three icons there, and you scroll down and you can see the desktop site is on. Okay, after that I'm going to search for Dr. Data or DR Data, and remember all of them are small letters if you wish to get your topic ideas from this channel, because it's the most high performed now. And you can just click on the one that rank on the first, like that, because there are other fake Dr. Data channels, but that is the most known or the popular one. Okay, now you can see you can be able to take screenshots from here, and you can see the videos have the titles. On the mobile app there is no title, so even if you copy there is nothing that will go to happen. But you can see here you can also click on popular, and you will get the most popular titles ideas from ChatGPT. Okay, the next step now is to head over to ChatGPT to have the topic ideas. So click on plus icon, add a photo, and select the screenshot you took, and then after that you're going to paste in this prompt or write this text. It's just a simple thing. You just want ChatGPT to understand and also grant or extract or give you some similar topic ideas that are similar to that channel, so that you can also create yours that is similar but very original and very unique. Okay, and I'm going to try this. This idea is getting a lot of engagement. Can you give me very similar topics to create videos on? Just a simple prompt, but it has everything you need. Okay, so now after that you need to click on send, and within some seconds ChatGPT will give you these topics. A lot of them, imagine there are a lot of them. You can see it is analyzing the images first, and then after that you can see now the topics are there. You can see there is human body, what if, the one that starts with what if or what, and you can see there is what if you never slept again, what happens if you stop blinking, what if you never felt pain, topics like those, and they will go viral. Okay, you can see there's also others about skeleton. What happens inside your body when you learn, like that, things that are about the bones or the skeleton. And then there's also the survival one, the time experiment concept. So these all are topic ideas that you can grab and make viral videos about them. Okay, but for me I'm going to stick with what if you never slept again. After choosing your topic idea, you need to paste in this prompt. I'm going to leave my prompt on the pinned comment and also on the description of this video. Make sure to check it. If I don't, remind me on the comment section. Okay, now under here you can see there is what lies here. There is something you need to add your title, the title you choose. You can see what if you never brush your teeth. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to write what I am going to use for this video, and I'm going to paste this. What if you never slept again? And if you need to paste now or to add your own topic there, and after that you need to click on send and wait ChatGPT to create for you over narration of your video. You can see now here it says what if you never slept again, and it says the 1, the 3 up to many years. I don't know how many years. There is 1 year, several years later. And after that now you need to paste or to copy this. You need to copy this voiceover so that you can create voiceover narration, so that you can create your voiceover. So you need to click on there and When it is tick, you know it have already been downloaded. So the voiceover you're going to create using Google AI Studio, just choose single speaker, choose the type of audio you want to use, just listen to these different voices available here. Google AI Studio is free, so just choose the voiceover that fits you or fits your narration. After that, you need to paste in your text or your narration here on the other side. There you can see it says start writing or paste text here to generate speech, so you just need to paste in there. I will paste it with my outro because I need it for the intro, okay? But if you don't want, you can just delete it, but I want it, okay? Scroll down until you see the learn icon. Just click on learn, give it some seconds to generate. It can take up to 1 minute, 2 minutes according to how long your voiceover narration is. After that, you need to download and save it on the gallery of your device, okay? That is how to create your audio. I really love how this is free. Click on download again and it will be saved on your device, okay? Now the next step is to generate the image prompts. So you need to paste this prompt on ChatGPT, and under here you can see, if you scroll down like this, I'm also going to leave this prompt on the pinned comment, okay? Now paste your script here below, okay? You can see that text. After that, you need to paste in your script or your narration. That is what I mean. Just the way you copied it, just paste in there, and then give it a close quotation mark if it had an opening one, okay? After that, you need to click on send and give it some second to generate for you the image prompt for each and every scene, and it can give you a lot of scenes. And remember, you need to turn each scene into video later. That will be our next step, but first of all, let's create the images for these scenes, okay? You can see there is scene 5 up to scenes, I know it will create me almost 20 something scenes, but you know these scenes will last for maybe 3 to 4 seconds when editing them, so the video it will be less than 3 minutes. I truly believe that. If it is more, you can also create a long form video. Not a must you create a short form video for this, okay? If you feel that you can also create long form videos for YouTube, is fine, and you can also create short form for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and also Facebook, okay? You can see mine are now 20. They're now 20 and not yet done, okay? That is the scene 20. Okay, but it is very simple. The tools I'm going to use to create the images and the videos is free, so no worry about how long the video is, how long the shot is. Don't worry. You can see now the scenes are 25 and they're done. Now I like that 25 scenes, so you need to generate 25 images and 25 videos. You need to turn each and every image into a video, okay? Now let's copy the first scene prompt. I'm going to copy allowed 3 and save them on the clipboard so that I will not keep on coming back to copy the prompt each and every time. So if I copy allowed 3 to 4 of them, they will help me to first of all generate the images, and then after generate the images, I will come back and then copy other prompts like 4, okay? So now we are going to generate our images using Whisk. Under describe your idea, you need to paste in the first prompt of scene 1, okay? After that, you need to click there and choose the aspect ratio. Go for 16:9 or 9:16 if you want a short form video, and then click on send, okay? You can see now here there is 2 of them. They are all quite good, but remember you need to go with one, okay? So choose the one that pleases you, your eyes, choose it and continue, okay? I'm going to choose this. Click on it with your finger and then download. You can see the download icon appears, okay? Now you need to delete the text and now paste in the second scene prompt, okay? Now guys, if you're watching this video so far, remember to give this video a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, okay? Now you need to delete this. It may take some time, guys. I said give me a like. It will really help me and I will grow, and also YouTube will recommend this video to more people, and that is what I love and that is what I'm here for, okay? Now you need to paste in the second prompt for scene 2, and after that you need to check the aspect ratio, but most likely it might not to change, and Let's leave the browser. Okay, now you can see the two images are created, and to understand which image is the best, you need, sometimes you can read your prompt and see, okay, this was what was asked, because remember, this is AI. It can create for you things that impress you, but they're not the right thing. Okay, now you need also to delete this and continue to paste the prompt for scene 3. Okay, now guys, remember what I said, give this video a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video to people who would like to create this kind of content. And also remember to give it a like. Okay, it will really help me a lot. If you have done so, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to paste in my third prompt for scene 3, and that is, I will just only show you these 3. The others I will do them on the background of this video. Okay, but I will show you the result, don't worry. Okay, now you can see I have 2 images here, and I did choose one of the image, but hey, they're so funny. I will choose image 2, and I will just download it and continue to the next step. Now the next step, guys, is to turn these images into videos, and we are going to use Grok. You can use any video, image to video generator of your choice, but I'm going to use Grok. Okay, just import the photo you want to animate, and that you need to paste in. Okay, click on photo animate, click on gallery icon, and then choose the first photo. That is was our first photo. Under that photo, now you need to paste in the prompt to use to generate the image. Is the same prompt you're going to generate the video. I have repeated that many times, but that is the same prompt. If you repeat like that, Grok will turn it to a video, but sometimes it may misunderstand what you want to generate. But for this, just add it. Okay, and click on send, and Grok will give some seconds to generate the image. I will say this Grok is free, but not unlimited. It is limited, but it is enough for a free plan. And also Grok doesn't come with watermark. That's why I love it. Okay, now you can see our video have been created with audio, but you need to mute this audio if you don't want the audio. You just mute it like that, and then click on download and save it on the gallery of your device. Okay, now the next step is to add our second image. This was our second image. Okay, after that you need to paste the prompt for the image 2 and scene 2. Okay, no, for scene 2. After pasting it there, you need to click on send, and you give it some seconds to generate the image for you. Guys, if you're watching this video so far, do not forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. It will really help me a lot. Okay, and you can see now our image is almost, and it have been completed. That is our image. That is how it turned out. I really love it. So just click on download and download it to your device. Now I'm going to show you the third image to video, and the others I'm going to do them on the background. But as I said earlier, don't worry, I'm going to show you the results. Okay, now just add the image there. At the type to customize video, you need to paste in the prompt you use to generate the image there, and then click on send. It's as simple. It's simple. You just follow the instruction, and the results will be fine. I really love how these things are flowing well. Remember to mute the audio if you don't want. Okay, but if you want the audio, then continue with it. But I think because you have the voiceover, you don't need the audio. Okay, yeah, you don't need the audio. Okay, that video generated without my prompt. Let me generate the one that has my prompt, and we shall compare which video turned up the best. Yes, we shall compare, but you can just still generate in that way, but there is some misunderstanding of AI. It will create for you some things that will not. You can see now this is the one that has a prompt, and the one that does not have a prompt, you can see it is this one. Okay, you can see there's some slight difference. Okay, now the last step, guys, is to edit. I'm going to use VN editor. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, or any other editor of your choice. Click on project and click on plus, and now here you need to arrange each script according from the first to the last. I have done 10 clips so far. Yes, 10 of them, and I know they are best for this tutorial, but I did not do the rest 15. But if you're making a video, full video, mine is just an example, you need to continue with it. And for this, I have used the steps I have shown you. Okay, now you need to add all of them, aligning from the first, second, third, like that, and click on send. You can see there are 10 of them. If I did the whole of it, it could be 25, but we will continue with this. Okay, after that, you need to add music. Click on music. Click on my music icon there on the third one. Click on music library. And now, because I did not name my music, I need to go listening each and every music, and then I will choose the one that I downloaded, because obviously I know it. I know how it sounds. So, and I think it is the one here. It is under this downloads. Okay, yeah, it is here. So I will click on use, and just a lot of settings here you can set, you can edit, you can do whatever, because you remember you cannot add an audio that is longer than your video. You add the audio that fits your video on VN, but for others you can. Okay, now after that, you can see you can add the effects, you can add the subtitles, and subtitles are best for these videos. If you want it to perform best, remember to add the subtitles, and also edit the clip so that they can align with the audio by listening. You must listen to it so that you can edit it in that way. You must listen to it. Okay, now as I said, you just scroll up here, you add the voices, you delete the pauses on the audio, all that. You need to take all these steps so that you can continue very well. Okay, you can see now when I click on the audio, there is the subtitle here, and there is auto captions. If you want to add auto captions, it is not free. Okay, now listen to what I created.
What if you never slept again? Day 1. You notice the extra hours first. The night feels unusually quiet. Lights stay on longer than usual. Your eyes feel dry, but manageable. You tell yourself you're still awake because you want to be. Day 3. Morning and night begin to blur together. Coffee tastes stronger than it used to. Your reflection looks slightly unfamiliar. You blink more often, waiting for relief that never comes.
That is for today. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.